different ways. If we keep littering, our earth will be a big trash bag. Let's put up a poll. Most people don't care. My class would not dare. Was my class put up a sign? It said, please don't litter. The earth is mine. Our landfills are overflowing. Every day they are growing. We see it making all kinds of motions. We can try to stop this now, but how? Clean it up. Clean up the earth so it could be a sparkling, clean place for us all. Clean up the earth so we can see the gorgeous blue and green on our planet. The blue and green will shine in our eyes if we clean it up. So clean it up so that we don't see any garbage anytime or any day. Clean it up and live in a world of happiness. The world we live in can be cleaned up and we can be happy.